Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing a program on multi-threading in Java. To implement threads, we need to import a class known as thread, which is present in the java.lang package. Then to initialize or to write any other specific task that we want to perform, we need to create another class which extends this class known as thread. We will start from the main program now. You have class main, then public static void main, which shows the starting point of the program. Then we are creating two objects of the class thread demo, which extends the class thread. We are giving the reference as object 1 and object 2. We have different methods present in the thread class that we can use. Some of them are shown below. Here we have object1.set priority thread.minimum priority. It will set the priority of the thread to the minimum priority. The thread can have three different types of priority: maximum priority, minimum priority, and a normal priority. The value of maximum priority is 10, minimum priority is 1, and normal priority is 5. By default, the Java will assign the thread to normal priority. So to change it, we can use the method known as set priority. Then we have object obj1.setName. It will set the name of the thread to this string we pass inside here, that is thread1. Now the first thread will have the name thread1. Then we are assigning the priority of second thread as maximum priority, that is 10. Then object2 that set name thread2. Second thread will have the name thread2. Then object1.start. To start a thread, we will use the method known as start, which will put the thread into runnable state, and the run method will be called, which we have overridden in this class thread demo. Now we will see the run method. System.out.println thread.currentThread.getName is running. Here the thread.currentThread will give the reference to the current thread which is being executed, and .getName will give us the name of that thread which is being executed. Then system.out.println priority is thread.currentThread.getPriority. Again the same thing, we will get the reference to the current thread which is being executed, and .getPriority will give us the priority of that thread. Then we are showing the execution of that thread by using a for loop. We are printing user plus thread name, that is user thread 1 or thread 2. Then we use another method which is known as sleep. The sleep method will put the thread into sleep mode, that is it will not perform any other function until the time we have specified in these braces. The time will be specified in milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So the thread which is being executed will be slept for 1 second, and later it will start to execute again. We put this sleep method in try catch block because while sleeping the main thread or any other thread might interrupt this thread which is sleeping. To avoid any other error to occur, we use it in a try catch block, and here we take the interrupted exception and handle it as we want. Then at last we print thread.currentThread.getName ended. We will show that it ended. Now we will see another method known as join. Here obj1.join, it will prevent the execution of any other thread before the execution of the thread obj1 has been completed. Here again an error might occur by interrupting this thread, so we put it again in a try catch block and handle the exception. Then we have started the object 2. Here you can see the output, how it is being printed. The thread name we got from the getName function. The priority is 1 of minimum priority we got from the getPriority function. Then user thread 1 we have printed for 5 times using the for loop. Thread 1 ended. Similarly we got the thread 2 output. And that's it for today's program. Thank you for watching.